2 years ago, 50% of our emission was coming from the strands. We are full of hope that we can make things change in the industry.
As we were working on doing ourselves an EPD, it was easier to explain to other suppliers where to find EPD entities and how to do it. Nowadays, 64% of the suppliers have an EPD, and we have 5 suppliers that have the option of the strand less than 1.1 tons of CO2 per ton of strand.
We have now many suppliers that are having an EPD, but the EPD is just a picture, and we want to make it a movie. This is why we are implementing now the climate score. So we can provide the information of the emission factor to the client, and he can visually make informed decisions based on the offers that we do. To produce low carbon strands, we need to go with electrical arc furnace with a high percentage of recycled inside the steel. The structures that we built with the post-tensioning are relying on the strands that we put in the steel to stand or to carry the loads. So it's really important for the safety to have a good quality strand. The challenge that the suppliers have is to keep the quality of the strands while bringing more recycled content inside the process.
El Grupo Celsa tiene la cadena circular más grande de Europa. Conseguimos la primera certificación en Sustain en 2011, Sostenibilidad Siderúrgica en 2016 y nuestra primera EPD en 2020. En los últimos 2 años nos hemos centrado en maximizar el tanto por ciento de material reciclado de nuestros materiales, así como en la optimización de los consumos tanto de gas como de electricidad.
En los últimos 2 años nos han contactado un montón de clientes, principalmente de Europa, pero no solo. Después de nuestra primera EPD de 2020, hemos seguido trabajando fuertemente en el asunto. En 2022 actualizamos nuestras EPD, consiguiendo una reducción de casi 50% en nuestras emisiones, principalmente debido a que incrementamos de manera importante el contenido de materia prima reciclada de nuestro alambrón. Con estos valores, hoy Tixa es el fabricante de pretensado con los menores valores de emisiones del mundo. La iniciativa VSL Climate Score me parece muy interesante. Pienso que es muy importante diferenciar las soluciones ofertadas al mercado acorde a su desempeño ambiental, de manera que podamos ayudar a los clientes en sus decisiones de compra.
Fasten Group was the first PC strand manufacturer in China who has obtained EPD certificates. Recently, also our factory is recognized as a green factory in our region. In our factory, for the production, we have 3 key measures. The first is to increasing the proportion of the green energy. The second, save electricity and save also natural gas. Our third measure is to using the green materials. The high carbon wire rod we use as the raw material is 20% from the EAF steel, which is the low carbon emission steel. For all these 3 measures can reduce the carbon emission 45,181 tons per year. In the past 2 years, more and more clients asking the emission reports and data from us. We will continue to enhance our measures for the carbon emission, such as we will keeping to increasing our proportion for using the green energy, increasing the proportion of our EAF steel raw material, and to improving our production process. VSL is really a leader as an example for the carbon emission measures. So it's both encouragement and a push for the suppliers.
In 2024, we reduced the emissions of VSL by 6,000 tons thanks to the use of more sustainable strand suppliers. I'm really excited by the climate score because for me it's not something that we do on our own, it's something that is for the whole industry. We want to engage everyone in the same direction, in the decarbonization of our industry. When you go alone, you go fast, but when you go together, you go further.